Hi everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in Cortona, a beautiful, charming town in Tuscany. We are here to visit together a beautiful, fully restored country house which has its very nice garden all around, its swimming pool, vicinity to the town of Cortona, but at the same time total privacy. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property is located right in the border between Tuscany and Umbria, with Cortona 4 kilometers of distance away, the town of Arezzo and Montepulciano about 30 minutes away, and the stunning Renaissance city of Florence just over an hour and a half away. Also, airports are conveniently close by, with Perugia Airport 45 minutes away, the Florence one 1.5 hours away, Pisa and Bologna just over 2 hours away. The farmhouse is surrounded by about 4,200 square meters of well-kept garden with beautiful plants, hedges, stone walls that enrich the outdoor space of the property. It is also completely fenced and has 2 gate accesses. The main one is over there, whilst the secondary one is right behind me. In fact, this area here, if needed, could also be used partly as a parking area. On an elevated position on a side of the country house, we find this beautiful 7 by 4 meters swimming pool. It is surrounded by all of this solarium area and garden, perfect to enjoy the sun on a nice summer day. On this side there are some beautiful olive trees, and all around the outdoor spaces of the property you notice there are these beautiful terraces and outdoor areas, perfect to enjoy the outdoor spaces with your friends and your family. On that side you might have noticed there is also a beautiful pergola, ideal to have a meal outside with a barbecue space. The farmhouse is laid on 2 levels, with the upper level dedicated to the bedrooms, and it can be reached through this independent outdoor staircase access. This is a very typical characteristic of country homes in Italy, especially farmhouses, as on the ground level usually animals used to be kept, whilst on the upper level there used to be the living areas for the farmer that he would access directly through the outdoor staircase. The home is 250 square meters, so about 2,700 square feet. It has a total of 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, and as we walk in, we notice there are several accesses to the outdoor spaces. This is one of them, and it brings us to the main large living area of the property. During the restoration, all of the traditional elements have been kept, like this beautiful terracotta floor, the stone fireplace making this space nice and cozy, the exposed bricks and stones, the wooden beams. This room is like the heart of the property, and from here we can have the access to the outdoor space. On that side we have the service bathroom for all of the living spaces on this floor. Then there is the staircase that brings to the bedroom side of the property, and right below there is a storage area. Following the living area we've just seen, we're then connected to the dining space of the country house. It is as well furnished and has been restored in the same way, very beautiful and cozy. On that side it has access to the laundry area of the property. By the way, The property is connected to the mains water, and for heating it has air conditioning and radiators. Last but not least, we have the beautiful, charming kitchen of the property. It is the typical Tuscan kitchen with wood on the lower side and stone on top. Fully equipped. I'm going to show you some of the appliances. There is the washing machine over here, then some storage areas, drawers, induction top right here, and then some extra storage spaces on these sides. We have an oven, and then on the upper side there is also a microwave. In the end we have fridge and a freezer on the lower part. The first floor welcomes us with this beautiful parquet floor right here. It is made out of wood and it is nice and warm, making this space very cozy. On this level we find pretty much all of the bedrooms of the farmhouse, with two of the bedrooms over here, nice and spacious, with a view on the garden. In the end, they share a nice bathroom with marble finishes, with a shower, of course. Then we get to what we could consider the master bedroom section of the house, with this beautiful, large living area, which has access from the external staircase I've showed you earlier. From this living area, we also have a nice and large bathroom, which could also be used by one of the two bedrooms over there, instead of sharing the one bathroom. Here we have as well the air conditioning, the beautiful parquet finishes, and we can admire this stunning ceiling. It is original. The wooden beams have been painted to give even more light to this space, and the fact that it is all restored, but at the same time the irregularity of it has been kept, makes it really charming. On this side we as well have the fireplace, and in the end we reach the beautiful master bedroom. This is the largest bedroom of the house. As we walk in, we notice as well there is air conditioning here. You can control with this controller by the door. The TV, high ceilings, wardrobe, which in the end has the surprise of the ensuite bathroom for the master bedroom. And from the little terrace of the outdoor staircase, I would like to end today's property tour. I hope you loved this little gem. I think it really has everything you need in a property, in a getaway home in Italy. It has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, lovely outdoor spaces with a beautiful swimming pool, total privacy, and has also been restored really with beautiful finishes. It is also close by to the village of Cortona, which is really charming and with some excellent restaurants. I hope you enjoyed it. Please, before I leave you, remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the most beautiful homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!